my channel, welcome to the Av. In today's video, I will be doing a hair review on Luvme hair, and all the specs, all the information that you need on this wig will be down in the description box down below, and I will also be talking about it anyways. So before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video and become a part of the family. And let's just get right into the video. Like I said before, we'll be talking about the Luvme Hair Deep Wave Headband Wig, and this is what the wig looks like right here. It's very soft. It feels very, very, very nice. It does have the band right here with the Velcro, and then when you open it up, you see like all the clips that are inside, and then you also have a clip right here on the bottom. When I did receive it, it did come in this like natural brown color, but I did go ahead and give it a darker tint to it just because my natural hair is very, 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 very dark brown, and you would have been able to see the difference if I didn't make it a little bit darker, but it took very well to the color, as you could see. And also, like, the curls are still intact. I haven't combed it out or anything. All I did was rinse and condition the hair, and that's really it. So this is what it looks like. It is in the 22-inch. I'm not sure if I did mention that, but yeah. So I do have a discount code for 20% off if you're interested in this wig. I did try a wig from Luvme Hair before. They even sent me this hair, and it was because I needed hair for work, and it worked out. And so far, I really do like their hair. So as you can see, I have already did my baby hairs, and we're just gonna take this off. And I already put my wig cap on, and my hair right now is in flat twist, so I don't really think you need to see all that. It's been in flat twist before I even was gonna do this video, child. That's how I've been preserving my hair. I don't touch my hair at all because I'm really wanting it to grow. If you watched my life update video, then you know that I lost a lot of hair when I was sick. So right now I'm trying to not manipulate it as much, just so that it can do its thing and grow back. So I don't know why I am struggling to get this off, but here we are. Alrighty. And like I mentioned before, it is a headband wig, and Luvme Hair provided me with 5 different headbands. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you that. So I have this nude one right here. They also gave me a tie-dye one. This one is a different material than all the rest. This one is more of like a cotton type of material, and I actually like it. It's very soft. And then the other ones are like this silky material. So here is the pink one that they gave me, and they gave me a nice bright yellow. If you guys know, yellow is one of my favorite colors. And they also gave me this gray one. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw on the wig, and I'm just going to all you do is really just use the combs to set the wig in place. And I don't necessarily like combs for my hair, but these do not break your hair at all whatsoever. And then turn around for you guys. So in the back, you want to go ahead and take the Velcro and wrap it around like so, and then take this last clip right here and tuck it underneath the headband wig so everything is nice and secure. I don't know if y'all can see that, but now that the wig is on, actually looking like somebody, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my bronzer a little bit in my scalp so the color don't look too off. And so this is what the hair looks like without me combing into it or anything. Very, very nice. I don't even know if I want to comb through it, but I will, just to give you guys some, you know, looks, serve y'all some looks. But it's very, very cute, and this is without even wearing a headband yet. Like, we didn't even throw on a headband yet. This is with just the black headband part to it, and I don't have that much of my edges showing or whatever, but it looks very, very nice so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw on a headband, and I'm gonna throw on this yellow one. So here it is without me combing it out or anything. It looks cute. It looks cute or whatever. So I am gonna go ahead and comb out the curls. I really kind of don't want to. I really like what it's giving. You feel me? I just want you guys to see what it looks like before I comb it out. Just brush it out and see. Ooh, we got a little volume, so let's give ourselves some volume. It's giving volume. That's what it's giving. I'm gonna start from the bottom first and just work my way up. Yep, it's giving volume. Oh, I like it. Oh, volume. Stop playing with her. Stop playing with her, okay? This is giving volume. So it's definitely giving volume once you comb out the curls a little bit. Well, I'm combing them out, but it's because I'm loving the volume that I'm getting. So as you guys can see, this is what it looks like on one side with it combed out, and then this is what it looks like without it combed out. Leave in the comment section below which side you like better. I don't know. I like when it's not combed out, but I also like when it is combed out. So I'm not sure what I even like, but I love the volume once you comb it out. Like, it's giving what it needs to give, okay? So I'm gonna finish combing out the rest of the hair.
Ryan Little.
stop playing with her. Who is she? I'm not gonna lie, you guys. I actually like it like brushed out. It looks very, very pretty. This is what it looks like after brushing out the curls. I do have some curls that are still intact in the back, even though I have brushed them, but the volume is very, very pretty. I actually really, really like this hair a lot. She is giving what needs to be given, okay? This hair is very pretty. What I like about this hair is you can go ahead and wet it and the curls are gonna come right back. Like I told you before, when I first got the hair, it was already curly, and then I did go ahead and darken the hair a little bit more with some color and with a darker color from, I think it's called Adore. I think it's called Adore for the hair color. So I'll leave a picture of what I'm talking about on the screen, but I really do like this hair. Volume is giving what it needs to give, period. Okay, it's very, very lightweight. Like the hair is very lightweight, but once you comb it out, it does look full and big. It doesn't look loose at all, which I really, really like. So yes, me. So I am gonna go ahead and try some different styles out with this hair, and you guys let me know what style was your favorite. And yeah, I'm really loving this wig so far. Okay, love me hair, y'all did this. guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Let me know in the comment section below which style was your favorite. I think my favorite is probably just wearing it down or wearing it in a ponytail, because sometimes, you know, hair could be in the way and it's hot, you know what I'm saying? So those are my two favorite looks. I really do like this unit. I love how fluffy the hair is and how lightweight it is. Very, very versatile, and I love the fact that they do give you headbands to rock with the hair. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below as well. All the specs again are in the description box. Don't forget, if you are going to purchase a unit, be sure to use my discount code, which is 20% off, and all it is Melissa. And that is it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video so I know to make more videos like this one, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace. What? Almost bust my butt. My stomach growled right when I said peace. I'm hungry, sis. I know you hungry, sis. We get into that one. Hey everyone, it's Mel. This right here is giving cheerleader. Go team, go.